How to invest on Polymarket. So here's how it works. First, you will need to create an account, and once you have created an account, then you will need to deposit funds into your account in order to invest. You will click on deposit here, and you have the different deposit methods. You can transfer crypto, which has no limit and is instant. You can deposit money with a card. The limit is going to be 50,000 and the money is going to come within 5 minutes. Deposit with a bank transfer, which is going to take 1 to 2 business days. You can also connect an exchange such as Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, and others. And you can also use PayPal, which has a limit of $10,000 and a 5-minute completion rate or time. So here, depending on the method which you want, for example, I'm going to do card. You will need to choose your currency here, what currency you want to deposit, and you will also type the amount right here. So let's just do 20 euros, and you can choose the provider which is gonna add this money to your account, and different providers have different rates. Okay, so here, once you have typed the amount and chosen a provider, you will click on continue. And in this case, it's going to take us to MoonPay, and it's going to ask us to sign into MoonPay and add the funds using MoonPay. Once you have added funds to your account, then you can bid on whichever market you want here. So who is going to be the Super Bowl champion? For example, let's say that you believe in the Buffaloes. You will click on yes, how much money you want to bet here, and you will click on deposit. And that is basically how you invest or bet on Polymarket. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.